Welcome back to the channel, folks. Money Stream, aka moneystream.com.au. Today we're just doing a very quick blog for people that think they can't afford a maid or a cleaner or whatever you want to call them. They clean your apartment here, and they do a very, very good job. They're very passionate, most of the people. Just bear in mind that most of them don't speak English due to lack of education, etc. But then again, we should really be speaking Thai. So, but anyway, moving on to the subject, and that is, can you afford a cleaner, a maid? Well, that depends on your lifestyle. I mean, it's the old cliche, you know, you get what you pay for. But nevertheless, I've got a cleaner here today doing a clean of my condo. I get that done in Australia anyway because I'm quite ill, as I keep telling on every single video that I'm disabled, suffer from fibromyalgia. Just about can't hold this little GoPro today, believe it or not. But anyway, yeah, prices vary. I'm going to be upfront and honest. I'm paying 500 baht. As I say, you get what you pay for. You pay peanuts, you get monkeys. But anyway, that's up to you to decide. I've got a cleaner if anyone's looking to get a cleaner or can't find a cleaner, or you know, you've had cleaners and you've paid diddly squat for it and you've got basically no job done. Just get in contact with me and I'll put you onto the people. I'm not making any money out of this, so I'm not trying to do a marketing spiel or run a business. No, I'm not. It's just to help, as I keep saying on these videos, these vlogs. This is my life every day, and this is why I'm doing what I'm doing. Just like taking photos. I'm a tourist. Anyway, spin the camera and show you what she does. Clean the bathroom, clean the kitchen, mop the floor, and do the washing as well, etc, etc. If you need it done, do your washing, do your bed, wash your linen. Does a remarkable job. Anyway, like, share, subscribe, comment, tell us what you think. Have you got a maid? What's the quality of work? You're looking for a maid? And hope you enjoy the vlog, and don't forget to subscribe if you see some value. It helps the algorithm, obviously. That's how YouTube works it. We'll see you on the next vlog. Cheers. Thank you for cleaning my condo. Kop und Kap. Excuse the phone in the background. Phone rings when you don't want it to ring, and it doesn't ring when you want it to ring. But yeah, clean the shower, the toilet, disinfect, clean all the, they'll be cleaning all the hand basin. They can make your bed, clean your linen, dust, mop the floor, wipe your TV, and so on and so on. So yeah, it's a good service. It pays to get a cleaner to keep also your condo clean. It complements when you're wanting to hand over the key and get your bond money for your condo. As my late mother used to teach us kids, you know, you deal with someone, you treat them like you would want to be treated yourself. So that's how we want to do it here. It's up to you. But anyway, I'll end the vlog here. It's a quick vlog cleaning your condo. Got a cleaner here, and she's doing a magnificent job. So yeah, get in touch if you need a cleaner. Hope you're safe and well. Happy Chinese or Lunar New Year, whatever you want to call it. Year of the Dragon. Wish all the Chinese health, happiness, success, and good health. We'll see you on the next vlog. Cheers.